Mr. Evans speaking. Today we're talking about the difference between simple past and past continuous because we usually use them together. Okay, but first remember to subscribe, like the video, join the club. Let's go. Let's start talking about past continuous. Past continuous talks about a moment in the past. Yesterday at 7 p.m., I was having dinner. In this case, you're talking about an action in progress. Simple past talks about an action which happened in the past and it's over. I went to the beach last month. I didn't say the moment, I didn't mention so precisely, but it is over. In this case, it's a specific moment in the past.
When I join these two verbs, it's very common to say that past continuous, an action which was in progress. Simple past is the action that interrupted the first one.
I was studying for the test when my mom asked me to do the dishes.
I was talking to the client when he hung up the phone.
My friends were swimming in the swimming pool when I got there. Yesterday evening, my parents were watching TV while I was listening to music.
Thank you so much. See you around. Remember to subscribe if you haven't. Okay? Bye-bye. Take care.